So what we do in Blue-Cloud, the project I am presenting now, is to federate access to all this data from a cyber platform that gives you a single point of access, discovery and access of this data. As well, you can use analytical tools for heavy computational analysis per processing of this data. So the idea is to combine different data types to provide innovative data products to respond to research complex questions. So this is what will be presented today, the data discovery and access of Blue-Cloud, the virtual research environment, and what I would like to show you, the virtual laboratories. The Blue-Cloud has these components, and to be able to showcase them, we have developed 5 virtual laboratories. So the idea is that researchers can develop these products in the virtual research environment, while users, the public, the wider audience, can reuse these methodologies. They could combine the data outputs with their own data or produce new data products by using the reproducible methodologies that are being developed in the virtual laboratories. So yeah, you are able to find all these methodologies in the virtual research environment. There is different sections with how-tos, and from there you can also access all the data. You can run this methodology by using the Jupyter notebooks. And once you have the outputs of the products, the outputs will go into the Blue Data Catalog, which is at the same time connected to Zenodo and the EOS Marketplace to have a more visibility of the products. Finally, what we also make with the outputs, specifically the one I wanted to show you, the phytoplankton products, they are also published in the CEMEX catalog. So in this way, we make sure that there is a wider use of the products. And yeah, I have very beautiful maps to show you.
Can you imagine them?
You can imagine them, and maybe I just go to my last slide. So Blue-Cloud provides a virtual research environment that can boost scientific collaboration by having this shared working space. It also allows you to integrate multidisciplinary data, which allows to create innovative data products, and it also federates Blue data infrastructures, building the bridge that can lead to a data lake. It's also good to provide data, products, and reusable methodologies that can feed the digital twin of the oceans. And Blue-Cloud data, products, and virtual research environment enable our main objective, which is ocean integration for our One Ocean. And there was this very beautiful image from We Are One Ocean from the UN decade. Thank you.